Hello and welcome to one of Bushey's little hidden gems, Bushey Rose Garden. Bushey Rose Garden has an entrance on Hertsmere Road and just off of the High Street, just by the Blue Check restaurant. The gardens were built and designed by Thomas Mawson in 1913 and absolutely beautiful little gem. So if you live in Bushey, this is somewhere not to be missed. If you're new to the area, just moved in, then you really have to check out this place. So named the Rose Garden because it's absolutely full of all different types of roses. So the scent of the roses as you're walking up the pathway into the gardens themselves is absolutely beautiful. A really wonderful place to come and spend a lunch break. Just sitting in this peaceful garden, looking at these lovely old structures, which now date back well over 100 years. So if you choose to make Bushey your home, it's absolutely steeped in history. A really novel bicycle rack. So I'm always being asked by people moving to different areas, you know, what are the schools like? What are the transport links like and the shopping? And obviously they're very important, but I never get asked, well, what are the parks like? And the parks are beautiful in Bushey. This is just one of them, and this is a very, very small hidden gem. Some people that have been living in Bushey for absolutely years don't know about the Rose Garden, but yet once they're here, they're smitten. And it's just so peaceful. The birds are tweeting, the sun is shining. How beautiful is this? So if you've never visited the Rose Garden before and want to do something that's peaceful, tranquil, very mindful, and just come over here and have your sandwiches, bring a packed lunch, sit there, meditate, read a book. The Bushey Rose Garden is definitely on my top 10 places to visit in Bushey.